In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up templates in Google Gmail step by step. This is a handy feature for those who often send similar emails, allowing you to streamline your workflow and save time. First, let's dive into the settings. Open Gmail and head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and then select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can customize various features. Once you're on the settings page, look for the Advanced tab. Click on this tab to reveal a list of options that are not enabled by default. Here, among other things, you'll find the Templates section. It's essential to turn this function on, so go ahead and select Enable. After enabling templates, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure to click Save Changes. Your settings won't be updated unless you do this, so don't skip this step. Next, we're going to create your first template. Start by composing a new email in Gmail. When the Compose window opens, type out the content that you want to save as a template. This could be a message that you frequently send out, like a response to inquiries or an introductory email. You can include a subject line if you want, but it's optional. Now look at the bottom right corner of the Compose window and click on the three dots icon. This will open up additional options. From here, hover over Templates, then select Save Draft as Template, and choose Save as New Template from the options that appear. You'll need to give your template a name. Think of something descriptive that will help you recognize it easily later, like follow-up email. Once you've named it, click Save. Congratulations, you've just created your first Gmail template. Now let's look at how to insert this template into an email. Start by clicking Compose to open a new email window. Again, find the three dots icon in the lower right corner and click on it. Hover over Templates just like before, and this time you'll see a list of your saved templates. Choose the one you want to use. As soon as you select your template, Gmail will automatically insert the content into the email body. This allows you to make any additional modifications or send it out immediately. With templates, drafting emails becomes a whole lot easier and quicker. Thank you for following along. With these steps, setting up and using templates will help you efficiently manage your email communication in Gmail.